In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make change Discord name color 2025. By the end, you'll know exactly how to give your name a custom color in a Discord server using roles, the method Discord supports across desktop and browser. Start by opening Discord and heading to the server where you want your name color to change. Name colors are set per server, not globally. You'll need permission to manage roles in that server, so make sure you're the server owner and admin or have a role with the manage roles permission. Open the server menu and go to Server Settings. Inside, find the Roles section. This is where Discord controls name colors because colors are tied to roles rather than individual profiles. We'll create a role just for your color so it's clean and easy to manage. Create a new role, give it a clear, memorable name so you can recognize it later, like blue name or highlight. Next, set the role color. Use the color picker to choose the exact shade you want. For the best readability, pick a color that contrasts well with both light and dark themes. Avoid very pale yellows or near white tones, which can disappear against light backgrounds, and super saturated neon shades that can strain the eyes in dark mode. With the color set, go to Manage Members for this role and add yourself. Click Add Members, search for your username, select it, and confirm with Add. That assigns the colored role to you. Close out of settings and check your server. Your name should now show up in the new color in the member list and next to your messages. If you're not seeing the change, a few quick things to know. Discord shows the color from the highest positioned role that has a color. If you already have multiple roles with colors, whichever one is higher in the role hierarchy decides the final color. Also, colors appear inside that server only. They won't show in direct messages or other servers. Finally, make sure the role still has a color selected and that you're viewing a channel within the same server you updated. That's the entire process. Open Discord, go to server settings, head to roles, create a role, name it, choose your role color, add yourself under Manage Members, and then close the window to see your new colored name live. If you want to change the color later, you can return to the role and simply pick a new shade. It updates instantly for anyone with that role. Keep things organized by using one color role per aesthetic and only assigning what you need. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new Discord name color.